everyone. My name is Mercy Jane Balog from BSN Social Studies 3-1, and you are?
And I am Cristina Zerrado. I'm a cosmetology student from the City Department.
So I have 3 questions here. First, what does good grade mean to you?
So, meron ako good grades. Kaya ako siya impact na ako since if not a good grades, then that means nagkuhan ka na you're doing well. While samtang ng bad grades, that means na murag kuwang yung effort na ka, exert sa effort sa doing your studies, then if if not a good grades, then makamotivate siya nga mo ka na eskwela ka niya na bitaw.
Here's so number 2. Have grades ever affected your confidence or motivation in you have?
Yes, kanang maka-affect siya since kanang bitaw may time siya murag kanang i-exert na kasi kanang effort nimo niya. Pagano kay ko na di ay kanang murag pubos bitaw kadto. So murag kayo ka nga kanang di mo kayo ka nga di kanang gibuhat mo kanang katong best but murag buwang gihapon. So para ako maka-affect siya.
Okay, number 3. If you could give advice to your younger self about your grades, what would it be?
If mga advice ako to my younger self is I would like to say that enjoy the ride when you still study and absorb everything that you are learning and ayaw dawata ang mga pressure sa mga tao. Pero dili ko sabutan mga dawato ni mga bad pressure na may good pressure, bad pressure. So, disregard ng bad pressure, dawata ang good pressure kaya kung dawata mo yung good pressure, makuha ka, mag-improve ka.
So thank you so much. So from the interview that I did with my fellow student Cristina Z. Arado, there's a line that she said that accept pressure. Not the bad pressure, but the good pressure. And that I reflect that she made a great point about the importance of accepting good pressure in studying. This made me realize that I can embrace the challenges that comes to my academic journey because by these challenges along the journey, it will help me to grow and learn. And in our conversation, she also showed me, she highlights me that having the right mindset can make a big difference in achieving success.